Hello everyone. Uh, in my opportunity, I want to interview of all the student or people want to change timing bell for Audi for year 2009 2013 is it is a very important man. The people can use all the tool change. It is that is the indicator for for C and 0 point TDC engine top of center, and is all this tool is log tool. So this mounting, you remove this one or this one for of the front bumper. Install the tool 10090, that guide pin that I mentioned, this one. So you move the front lock carrier into the working position, and then if you dismounting engine, you set the indicator is the indicator clock, that you understand this the point is the length is the long from the cam change. Remove noise insulated deflate, losing accessory drive belt tension. Remove V discount engine cover, discount upper mat timing chain. Distance measure A between 2,14 2,15 inch. Distance measure B. Do you understand the 4,H8 4,6 9 and 6 in? That is very important. You can understand if you dismounting, remove two valves to special tool from the left. Remove the belt braking tool. Remove the bottom timing chain. Compress all pump tension with the tension loss. Remove chain. Install the tension release. Then we release tension. Dismount. Do you understand the tension? A, B. Then the three is locks the camshaft. I want to mention, if you take out this one, you must underclock way. So those we say on the left hand thread. It is not dry. If you dry, dry is not. This is the fall. Just you can clear them. We can set this. We set to the tension. Number 2, install the tool. Come. This mounting for. Remove the timing chain tension guide. Remove the guide rail. Remove the top of guide. Remove the tension. Mounting. Mounting you can set all the material. You see this one. The mark change from this one to this one. It is very important that I mentioned about is the distance B. Then from this one to the distance A. Then this is mark for come chain. This is lock tool. This is crank. Mark with the chain. You can see mounting tool. Just install the old pump chain. The old pump chain. Install the old pump chain tension guide. The tension guide. Remove the lock tool. Remove lock tool. Eleven from the chain tension. Torch tie bearing bracket. Install the valve use. Mount the lower chain. Turn the crankshaft 720 degrees. That I mentioned about before. You see this mark crankshaft with this one. The timing chain distance B or. Remove the spark plug on cylinder 1. Install the air guide indicator. Rotation crank forward marking stop a bit before. Rotation marks this one. Mark this one. Mark this one. Turn crankshaft clockwise until their gauge show the massive valves. Their gauge massive valve. When their gauge show massive valve, the engine is compressed TDC cylinder 1. This is cylinder 1. So there is some marking on the crank sprocket distance, or I mentioned again from this one A, the distance 2.40 2.22 from this one to this one 4.88 to 4.996 inch. This marking is not again repeat the procedure. So very important for you work in machine. So that I mentioned about this one, you can understand what I mean. Thank you for watching. I hope you looking for remove the timing chain. You can repeat less or read again and again before you doing something wrong. Thank you for watching timing chain Audi A4 from 2009 to 2013. 155 kilowatts, 1084 ccm. I hope you lucky to understand about the two timing chain. Repeat procedures or you work with the machine. You can understand and clear and best from best. I hope you understand. Thank you all of the watching. I hope you understand. Thank you so much.